Okay, skill number 10. So there's an ant on my graphing paper at point 1, 2. I then drop a cookie crumb and the ant scurries to the crumb. He is now at point 7, 10. It took the ant 9 seconds to move this far. Write a pair of parametric equations. So what I did first is I graphed the movement of the ant first. So he started at point 1, 2 and he moved up to point 7, 10, which is right there. And then I made a triangle out of this, and I saw that from the first x-coordinate to the second x-coordinate, he moved over 6, and from the first y-coordinate to the second y-coordinate, he moved up 8, and just doing, and yeah, so that's what you need to do there. So then all you gotta do is to find the x equation, you do x is equal to this 6 over the 9 seconds it took him times t plus the starting x value, which is 1, which is also equal to 2/3 t plus 1. And then the y equation will be y is equal to the 8 over the 9 seconds it took him times t plus the starting y coordinate, which is at 2. And that's it.